Molcham village in Indo-Myanmar border remains deprived of electricity and good road condition. Health Minister L. Jaintikumar inaugurates free diagnostic center and 10-bedded Ayush hospital in Ukhrul district, says government aims to provide best healthcare facilities. "22nd Manipadicon 2018 at Pediatric Association of Manipur focuses on prevention of child abuse and neglect. And Bank Employees Federation of India Manipur State Unit extends solidarity to nationwide strike against privatization of banks on December 26. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. I'm Jay Xiao Ainam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Molcham village located at Indo-Myanmar border deprived of developmental benefits of government. Impact News reporter Ketrimayum Premchan and More correspondent Lyren Lakpam Lucky bring you an exclusive report in this regard.
Condition of the road leading to Molcham village in Indo-Myanmar border, situated 100 kilometers away from More, is in a deplorable condition. Villagers are facing immense difficulties to reach More in times of medical emergencies, including childbirth. It may be mentioned that the 99 kilometer stretch of road from More to New Somtal was blacktopped by BRTF under BRO in the year 2005-2006. But so far, only a stretch of 40 kilometers are covered. On the other hand, the 160 kilometer stretch of road to Myanmar constructed by BRTF completed in 2 years. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, PWD Minister T.H. Biswajit stated that BRTF has been constructing vital they state. He added that the road constructions took too long, causing inconveniences to the public. He assured to complete construction of the road under PWD in consultation with the Chief Minister and the concerned DC at the earliest.
yamna practical oibo sarkar amu oirapasi praja mayam thajau pangi adu sigumba akoina biaro nadra NSRDCL na akoi paikhale habati khangbi nati state government da all the time akoi praja jingi miyang thambo maramna oraga akoina leriba akogi tonga thabuk mayam amu akoi biaro dagi akoi state ta pire adu tonga thabuk mayam amu biaro dagi akoi kano da pikre mai tawdana akoi jiri lambe for example oina biaro na pariga da tuki mati phalam da budu ministry na magi implementing agency ji
Molcham village Chief Tongsan expressed disappointment that the village is still deprived of electricity even though electric wires were set up long ago. He urged the government to provide at least solar energy facility for the village.
Manga dagi lobani husi 3 tam 2 tamari sure ngasi pawa si Molcham lorje aduga ani suna banami mayam jam ba chathok chasin gi se aduga mathang da so posim me matang da so ngasi paw me phangti.
On the other hand, YAS NWR Minister Letpa Hokip stated that Molcham village is under power grid area. He said some miscreants stole parts of wires lined up from Gamfazol village to Molcham village, due to which the village is deprived of electricity. He said since the village is under power grid area, solar power cannot be provided in the village. The minister said the director of MSPDCL has been intimated to undertake measures to provide electricity in Molcham village. He also assured that 86 kilometer stretch of More to New Somtal Road will be constructed under PMGSY.
Grid power grid include oiba village in the solar period because solar is provided to off-grid areas only. Wire tingi marakta may pidringai gi talak marak asisida moina wire se kaga huran ba gitabak chatthaba sida yam thuna akoi expectation da thuna yogdabai wani adu athuba matamda I assure you 86 km more to New Somtal sisida Molcham si into ga chattoini tender process loire PMGSY da include oire I have written to BRTF not to execute any more in this area.
It is yet unpredictable how long the road will be completed under PMGSY and when Molcham village will get electricity despite Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision to provide electricity in every village of the nation by February 2019. With Impact News More correspondent Lion Lakpam Lucky, this is Ketrimayum Premsan for Impact News, Imphal.
Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantikumar has inaugurated a free diagnostic center at Ukhrul District Hospital yesterday. The minister also inaugurated a 10-bedded Ayush Homeopathy Hospital at Kampasom in the district. Speaking in the inaugural event, Minister L. Jayantikumar assured that the government is making all-out efforts to provide the best health facilities in the state. He believed that the newly inaugurated free diagnostic center will ease the financial plights facing people of Ukhrul and its neighboring areas for medical treatment. He urged the people to avail all the benefits provided by the center. The health minister also instructed medical staffs of the hospital to serve people to the fullest as the hospital now has adequate equipments. MLA Kangam Athar, DC Ukhrul District, doctors, nurses, other medical staffs and many people attended the event. CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam has urged all local clubs to take active roles in instilling a spirit of helpfulness and disciplines among the youth. He was speaking during the 35th Foundation Day celebration of Idol Youth Club IYC in Naran Konjin, Mamang Laikai of Langthabal constituency today. The minister also urged everyone to contribute in the welfare of the society in such a way that the future generations will be proud of. He assured of all possible assistance from the government to individuals who are willing to take up enterprises. Minister Karam Shyam also assured that flood preventive works will be carried out at Naran Konjin Canal before the onset of monsoon by January next year.
Hujiki moral education sima ko yam darkar le angang singda haurai ban harol singda adi yamna thaksi khasi maroina lairik haibadu khangna yaraktabanina ngangthorakpa saktorakpa moina hairakpa tawrupa kansta laishugi oiba adigi yamna phajaba behavior ma ekoina adi tambibagi platform ma sagatpa dakale phaminarga wari saba kandadi omagi wakalon se sini mana pami se sini ado mangonda adi si phajana akoi society so yam darkar lai adom yauri bani ne akoi society da lai shu mayam ma haire mama mapana adi wan hona zarga masa lai shu tamale thaba inkhang tawre adai di mayum makai pala ka na mama mapa pijaning da masa masu akoi society sta mayam ma leire mama mapa na masa da ni ra sa ba dong na taw si akoi society ki chaukat pa matau natte allaman singi namakta moina wajagiba moina honoraiba tawriba mayam dugi tawbimal khangdabagi mong malakpa sibuni laishu khangdaba haije.
BJP Yuva Morcha Lamlai Mandal President L. Babu, Vice President Nangamai Kamson, General Secretary NG Soba Chandran, Executive Member W. Jimmy have joined the Congress Party. A reception program for the new entrants was held at Lamlai Block Congress Committee office in Chalo today. Speaking in the event, leader of Lamlai Block Congress Committee and social worker Achoibam Deben condemned the BJP as party that does not work at the top. He maintained that people across the country have started losing faith in BJP and have started denouncing the party day by day. He said many former members of BJP in Lamlai constituency have joined the Congress Party. The social worker claimed that supporters of the Congress Party in the state and across the country are on the race. Representatives of Lamlai Kendra Development Committee and Lamlai Block Congress Committee attended the event.
Masidi miyam puna mangna India agi public puna mangna Manipur ki praja puna mangna amadi Lamlai praja puna mangna khange madudi BJP hariba dol asi pulaw da lawwa magi ideology leitaba adu pang ngangthokiba wasi kariru masana gyan thajataba thabakti taroktaba aduga yamna munna khara kanda Congress haibisi yam ideology leiba akhoi gi Lamlai kendra se yam sothare haji kabi diba MLA sina kendra gi kai makhra tawbirakadana na akhoi khanjarubani madu ona taina bada emta thabak taroktare yam lai raba adugumba kendra ma ore aduna lakadu election by election natraga dene election da isa de kini dene na khambira kanda Lamlai kendra se amta on ba proxy lai reba la helusi atoba kendra ga yengba yam sothare machibu amtati kalamsi.
Patriotic Association of Manipur PALM has organized the 22nd Manipadicon 2018 on the theme Child Abuse and Neglect, Our Responsibilities at Janims Auditorium today. Speaking in the conference, Chairman of Manitron and Manitco, Dr. Yumnam Radheshyam stressed on the roles of parents, guardians and the society as a whole in preventing child abuse. He also stressed on the need to fully implement the laws meant for the welfare of children. The chairman assured to pressurize the relevant authority to ensure protection of child and to stop crimes against them. RIMS Director Professor A. Sander and JENIMS Director Professor T.H. Bimo attended the program.
To prevent this child abuse and this neglect, all the sections of the society, we have to do our responsibilities with conviction. But you, the politicians, you are doing well, you are doing actively, you have picked up this theme and you are going to deliberate. We are going to discuss how to prevent it, what are the causes, what are the ways to do to prevent it. This is a very nice thing. I would like to thank the organizer, PAM, for picking up this topic. The government also, I think, should strengthen the state laws regarding these abuses. Policies of the state should also be very straightforward and should be strict. So as a legislator, I will pursue this case with the minister, with the government, so that this sector can be looked into properly.
Bank Employees Federation of India Manipur State Unit held its 7th state conference today. The conference was held at Haikam Kala Singh Memorial Community Hall in Thangweban, Yumnam Laikai. Speaking in the event, President of Bank Employees Federation of India Manipur State Unit, S. Bijoy, stated that bank employees across the country, including Manipur, will stand against the Indian government's plan to privatize and club all the banks in India. He said bank employees will carry out a nationwide strike against the same on December 26.
December 26 All India Strike United Forum of Bank Union na Kauraga All India Sinbat Thungna 26 December the All India Pangthokani Maramdi Bank of Baroda ne Dena Bank ne Vijay Bank ne Punjang ne Abegi Baro ki Hongtang Changsin Gare Hai riba Baro na Tori Hongtang chi Akoi Bank employees sing Yabang Amoy.
All India Trade Union Congress Manipur Imphal East District Committee held a one-day convention at Irabot Bhavan today. Workers of various unorganized sectors took part in the convention and discussed on the plights facing low-income earning workers and government contract employees. The attendees resolved to support the nationwide general strike called by trade unions across the country to take up welfare measures for workers on January 8 and 9 next year. Six villagers in and around Kaina and 12 local clubs jointly staged a protest meet against this creation of Kaina Laiphamlen in Kaina of Imphal East today. The sit-in was staged under the initiative of Kaina Development and Protection Committee. Protesters stated that the sacred shrine is listed under Manipur Ancient and Historical Monuments and Archaeological Sites and remains Act 1976. They alleged that Pangambam Sagai Seba Committee have acquired land ownership at the site in 1992 in violation of the Act.
What the lady be charged? Masi Hariba Purase, Mandira, Nakutri Howdy, Akoina, Akoji Punjajina, like Kurumba, Oro, and Natragana, Chak Vijabo, Oro, Karioro, Shokapo, Karigubama, the Pantopado, the Honjaro, occupied by the Pangabam Sagai Seva Committee for themselves, not for others. We complain and protest to the lower court and government also. We demand to remove this all monument and to cancel the new Govinda's monument.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on dissemination workshop on Teenage Girl Report 2018. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. A dissemination workshop on Teenage Girl Report 2018 obtained by KC Mahindra Education Trust and Nandi Foundation was held at Lamyan Bashanglan Palace Compound today. The workshop was organized jointly by Hopart Imphal, KC Mahindra Education Trust and Nandi Foundation. As per the survey report conducted under Nanhi Kali project, Out of the total 28,55,794 people in Manipur, 2,02,263 individuals are teenage girls. The survey was conducted with an aim to acknowledge the difficulties faced by teenage girls and to empower them. The survey mainly focused on education status, methods of menstrual hygiene, nutritional status, etc. Speaking to media, Hopart Imphal Director Social Research, Dr. Lata Shori stated that as per the survey report, Manipur is better in every aspect as compared to the overall report of India.
Koi research tauba khatani aduna ngasi state department gi government gi official sing school gi oza sing satra audience survey da participant tauhidra su moi gi age group mayam yauri sina ka dore report si pabiraga suppose example any concerned department education department oibiro adagi social welfare department oibiro health ki oibiro not only government ngasi gi sida oza sing mayam su puli research scholar puriko report si pabiraga koi state sigi karamba status ta leire haibase report sine yam masak sengna tai masigi report say one of the India da UNICEF ki survey tawi but did not purely focus on the adolescent girls.
Brigadier of the 57 Mountain Division, Ravindra Rajan, flagged off Sendra Sangai Marathon 2018 on the team Run for Peace from Sendra, Chingkong today. 353 individuals, including youths and those in active service from various parts of Manipur, took part in the 10-kilometer race organized by 42nd Assam Rifles under the Red Shield Division. 5 top racers, each in man and woman category, were felicitated with cash prizes and medals during a program held after the marathon. MLA Moirang P. Sarachandra, commandant of 42nd Assam Rifles, S. Buyan, and many people in the area attended the program. Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh held a Booth Samprag Mana Abhiyan program at Buddha Wangbren Khana Chawba Community Hall in Thongju constituency today. The program organized by BJP Thongju Mandal was attended by Works Minister Thongam Biswajit, BJP Thongju Mandal President L. Tomba, National Vice President of BJP Mahila Morcha L. Sarda, BJP Manipur Pradesh spokesperson R.K. Ranjan, former President of BJP Manipur Pradesh Santi Kumar Sharma, and 45 booth workers of BJP Thongju Mandal. Resource persons stressed on the need to strengthen BJP at booth level and emphasized by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and BJP National President Amit Shah. Booth workers were also enlightened on various governmental schemes and projects. They were instructed to ensure that the scheme reached out to the beneficiaries. Now, the sports news. Apunba Fitness Center has conducted the second and final preliminary round for the 8th edition state-level transformation challenge at the fitness center in Nagamapal today. Participants check their weight loss and gain differences. The challenge is organized annually with an aim to keep youths of the state fit and healthy. The first preliminary round was held on September 16. Mega event of the transformation challenge will be held at MFSDS Auditorium in Palace Compound on December 23, where the winners will be felicitated. Participants have put in best efforts to maintain optimum body mass index by either gaining or losing weight within 3 months.
Manipur apaba sama sama khunai am oina honabada akoi gi angam basok jajagi haduna akoi ngasi sinjari ba transformation challenge asi akoi pangthok sabani India da kun yana sinjabani adu handak sili jiga akoi Nepal subani aduga ngasi pasina koi finance measurement haidare koi aroi ba measurement sei olje masagi weight am tabna koi first ta de magi BMI fat percent adagi magi height ko lebom thokba height legadoba aduga magi weight legadoba fat loina pulakanda leiba aduga mu brain jo khuni check to whether ma intelligent level later braga na kuina to transform haidare loina khudimak transform to mudu kuina sinjab competition.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Molcham village in Indo-Myanmar border remains deprived of electricity and good road condition. Health Minister L. Jayantikumar inaugurates free diagnostic center and 10-bedded Ayush hospital in Ukhrul district, says government aims to provide best healthcare facilities. The 22nd Manipadicon 2018 of Pediatric Association of Manipur focuses on prevention of child abuse and neglect. And Bank Employees Federation of India Manipur State Unit extends solidarity to nationwide strike against privatization of banks on December 26.